Welcome to the course HTML. In this course, we are going to discuss about the hypertext markup language, that is, by using the HTML, how we are going to create the HTML is a markup language for web pages. Markup language means it is mainly used to define the structure and the presentation of the text. This markup languages uses tags to define the structure. Normally these tags interpreted by the browser, and markup language do not contain any logic or algorithm. Hypertext markup language is also, that is HTML, is also a markup language. This HTML is used to create and design the structure of web page and web application. That is, this is used to create user interface component of any website or any web application. HTML uses tags and attributes to define the structure of web pages. That is, HTML uses different predefined tags and also attributes to instruct the web browser on how to display the content. That is, how to place each and every component on the web browser, that is our web page. For example, if we need to display the text as a paragraph, then we should use the paragraph tag. Generally, a HTML element is defined by the start tag, content and end tag. So the end tag represented with backslash. The content is displayed on the web page with heading 1. So if we are using the heading tag. So here this is start tag, this is end tag, and here we are going to place the content whatever you want, and HTML uses the predefined tag. So for each and every tag, so it has some specific meaning. For example, so if we are defining this tag, that is heading 1, this is the start tag and this is the end tag and this is the actual content. Now this content, that is my application, that is displayed with the alignment of heading 1. So that has some already defined specification. Here this document type, so this will be defined the which type of document we are going to use. So here the document type, so here we are using the type as the HTML, and the HTML, each and every HTML document that start with the, that is the root tag HTML, and it end with the slash HTML. So this is starting tag and this one is the ending tag. And the HTML, within the HTML, so we have the two different portion. One is header portion and another one is body. The header portion, so this has another one sub-element, this is title. So this is used to give the title to your web page, and this will be displayed on the, that is your browser, top of the browser window. And what are the things that we are defined inside the body tag, that is actually displayed as a web page. So this is the basic structure of HTML. This is document type, so this will be defined which type of document we are going to use. And HTML, this is the root tag. This consists of two different portion. The first portion is head and the second portion is body, and this is normally represent the meta information about your web page. So the actual content we are placed inside the body tag. This is one example for HTML. So in the HTML, so first we are defining the document type as a HTML, and the root tag is HTML, and we have the two different portion. One is head and another one is body. So in the header portion, so we are giving the title by using the title element, and within the body, so we are having on heading and also some other content. So this header portion, that is the title, that will be displayed on the top of the browser, and this content that is actually displayed on web page. So normally the HTML file that is saved with the extension that is .html, and all the HTML tags are interpreted by the web browser. So while we are executing this example on your web browser, so we are getting the output like this. Here this my application, so that we are defined inside this title. So what are things we are defined here that will be displayed on the top of your web browser, and what we are defined inside the body tag, so that is display inside the body of the web page, that is actual web page. So here we are giving the first one, this is my first application, so that is the heading, and the next one that is welcome all.